Hello beautiful people, this is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. What would it be to experience like what you would be in National Geographic Channel? Well, this is it. Welcome to Masai Mara. On a chill Friday morning, we are off to the most visited destination in the super magical Kenya, the Masai Mara. The road distance from Nairobi to Masai Mara Game Reserve is about 225 kilometers to the nearest entry point. Approximately around 5 to 6 hours journey. So guys, we are finally here. We are at the Jambo Mara Safari. So let me show you around. We have booked this trip through Bonfire Adventures and they have very well organized it. This is a beautiful path layout heading towards our room. Jambo Mara Safari Lodge is a luxurious and eco-friendly lodge located in Masai Mara National Park. The lodge offers accommodation that is a deluxe glass cottages. So guys, welcome to our room. This is where we're going to stay for the next 2 days and 2 nights. This is amazing. It's really nice. It's so cozy. Oh my god, there's also a balcony. Let me check it out. Oh wow, look at the view. It's so peaceful and calm here. I am loving this. It's really nice. The Jambo Mara Safari Lodge is the best place to relax during the holidays. Look at this beautiful swimming pool. We actually get various options from Bonfire Adventures for our stay at Masai Mara and we are very glad we chose the Jambo Mara to stay. So the adventure begins. We are on for our first game drive. Spotted some cute gazelles. There are basically 2 varieties of elephants in Africa. One is the African bush elephant and one is the forest elephant. Bush elephant is considered endangered and the forest elephant is considered critically endangered. The average lifespan of an elephant is up to 70 years. African elephants are the largest land animals on earth. They are slightly larger than their Asian cousins and can be identified by their large ears that look somewhat like the African continent. Masai Mara is one of the most famous and important wildlife conservation in Africa. It is world renowned for exceptional population of lion, African leopards, cheetahs and African bush elephant. Also hosts the Great Migration which secured it as one of the 7 natural wonders of Africa. Now we'll be amazed to know this that Masai Mara is also one of the 10th wonders of this world. Spotted wild boar, also known as the wild swine or commonly known as wild pig. The wildlife of Masai Mara is considered to be one of the finest collection of wild animals anywhere in the world. Close to 90 species of mammals and many more birds. Masai Mara and the surrounding Great Mara ecosystem is home to a rich and diverse collection of wild animals. All over the world come to see the Masai Mara African Safari. Most tourists come to East Africa hoping to see the so-called Big Five, namely lion, elephant, rhino, leopard and buffalo. Well, Mara is one of the few places in Africa where seeing all these five animal species is not just possible but also fairly likely during a 3-day safari. Just look at this amazing view from a distance. You can also spot lots and lots of giraffes in between the trees. Hartebeest, also known as Congoni, is an African antelope. The cheetah is a large cat native of Africa. It's the fastest land mammal, estimated to be capable of running 80 to 128 kilometers per hour. And soon the sun began to set. Could also capture the beautiful sunset views. Now it's an alarm for us that the park is about to close and we have to head back to our lodge. Our day 1 safari was really exciting. We spotted lots and lots of herbivorous animals. We also spotted a cheetah waiting to embrace our day 2 safari. So it's a lovely chill Saturday early morning and it's around 6 a.m. Kenya time and we are off for our second game drive. And today our game drive, it's going to be from morning till evening. So it's going to be the entire day game drive. So join us on this amazing game drive. The African buffalo, also known as the Cape buffalo. The African buffalo is not an ancestor of domestic cattle. Its unpredictable temperament may have been a part of the reason that African buffalo have never been domesticated. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on earth. Legs alone are taller than any human, about 6 feet. The giraffe spots are much like human fingerprints. No two individual giraffes have exactly the same pattern. The number of African lions in the wild is declining and they are now thought to be at the risk of extinction. In the last 10 years, their numbers have gone down by 30%. The main threat facing African lions in the wild is being killed as a part of organized hunts. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group or pride can be up to 30 lions depending on how much water and food is available. Female lions are the main hunters. While they are out looking for food, the male guards the pride territory and the young ones. Lions' roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. The lions live in the savannas and grasslands. Where some cover and plenty of water can be found. Lions hunt for food every few days. They will feed from their kill and rest until they hunt again. The lions are the laziest of all big cats. They can sleep for up to 16 to 20 hours each day. Also found some wild geese and ostriches. female elephant gives birth only once in 5 years, after a gestation period of 22 months. No breeding race explains why elephants devote so much care and attention to their offsprings. It's no myth that elephants never forget. This intelligent mammal possesses a developed sense of memory that allows them to recognize a long-lost member of their social group. Masai Mara is a vast, scenic expanse of gently rolling African savanna plains measuring up to 1,510 square kilometers. Masai Mara is a unique wildlife conservation haven famous for its spectacular natural diversity of wildlife. Hippopotamus is a semi-aquatic inhabiting in rivers and lakes. During the day, they remain staying cool in the water or in mud. Noisy territorial calls of the hippopotamus create a signature soundtrack of Africa's wild rivers and wetlands. Hippos are ecosystem engineers because of their massive size, and they create new paths and channels as they move through the water between water and land. Mara River is a river in Narok County, Kenya in Mara region and lies across the migration path of ungulates and Masai Mara Serengeti ecosystem. Mara River Basin covers a surface of around 13,504 square kilometers, of which approximately 65% is located in Kenya and 35% in Tanzania. With sources in the Kenyan islands, the river flows for about 395 kilometers and originates from the Miu Escarpment and drains into Lake Victoria. Mara River is also home for a lot of hippos and crocodiles. Now to conclude, Masai Mara is Kenya's finest big game reserve, 5,000 feet above sea level and home for all kinds of animals. Cheetahs patrol its open grasslands and leopards haunt the shady forest beside the Mara rivers. This has been always a land of lions, and the magic of Masai Mara never fails. Nowhere else sums up the East African dream like the Masai Mara. It is the best place in Kenya to see huge herds of gazers and seemingly endless procession of carnivores, big and small. The Masai Mara is the one place in East Africa which we would return again and again and never get bored. For contact details of Bonfire Adventures, please see that video description given below. So this was my today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you would also plan a trip to Masai Mara. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. Take care. Bye.